Is this the last model railway show for a while? Well, I was fortunate enough this past weekend to get to the Keighley Model Railway Show, but it looks like all future shows are going to be, well, cancelled. They're not likely to be rescheduled, are they? There's plenty to see, and by the Sunday afternoon, it was obviously, well, not obviously, it was quite quiet. And we were very fortunate that just about all the traders and all those that had been booked with their layouts to attend turned up. So it was a full and complete show with everybody there. But I spoke to a couple of traders and they were saying that they'd already had cancellations and they didn't know what the future would be. And there's one or two of the traders at model railway shows who don't have shops. They might have a little bit of online business, and I've got a card from one of the traders. They might have eBay. Yes, he has an eBay selling site, but they do rely, not entirely, but they do make a fair bit of their income over the season of shows, and so it's going to be tough on them. So there we are. I managed to get it. There'll be a few stills in here. I can't remember if I did any video. I don't think I did much in the way of video of some of the highlights, all taken with my phone. I didn't take a camera with me this time. I just took the phone with me, so they won't be as zoomed in as some of the previous ones I've done, but just to give you an idea of the sort of layouts that were at the Keighley show.